Hi, I'm Chris Pontiroli, and I'm here to help English learners become English speakers. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic, phrasal verbs. But I'm not going to teach you what they mean. I'm sure that you have lists and lists of phrasal verbs, and you've been trying to learn them since you were a kid. Today, we're going to talk about phrasal verbs in the context of pronunciation and intonation. How about that? Phrasal verbs are a vital part of English because they help us be more colloquial, more informal. The value of phrasal verbs is that they express wonderful ideas in just a few words. The point is that getting the right stress for phrasal verbs sometimes is a challenge. But don't worry, I'm here to help you master it. So, in most cases, particles receive the stress when we're talking about an action. For example, this is a very clear example. Turn on the light or turn off the light. We don't say turn off, we say turn off or turn on, right? Remember, no blank spaces there. Turn on, turn off, right? You're not going to say turn on the light. But something that you like very much could be a turn on. And something that you don't like at all could be a turn off, right? The same thing with a login button, except on the first part, or we need to log in on the second part. Another example. Let's imagine the verb work. We know that when work is connected with the particle out, it means something that is good, right? So for example, you could say, this deal worked out for me. This kind of organization works out for me. I like it. Works out, right? We need to work out the hours that we're going to dedicate to this project. Work out. But when you exercise, your workouts are great. The workouts on YouTube are fantastic. So you see, again, when the stress or when actually you're talking about an action, you're going to stress the second part. When you're talking about a noun, you're going to stress the first part. You can go into the worksheet that is part of the description. You just click on it and you're going to get it. And of course, if you want to share this with your friends, you're going to make me very happy. So see you next time, and let's keep on practicing.